Got the Civic up. We're about to work on this transmission. Do the transmission fluid. I'm gonna flush it down. Put some new fluid, and I'm gonna do an oil change. Car's only at 42,000 miles. But it's recommended. So we're gonna knock that out. And I know I need some new tires. He's getting bald now. God. Alright. Got what I gotta do. Alright. So we go our drain plug right here for the transmission. And this the drain for the engine. We got a filter right here. I gotta take off. That's it. So all we doing down here. That's it. This drain, this filter, and this drain plug right here. Notice it say engine. Got the plug out. As y'all can see on the measurement, this is exactly what I pulled out of the drain bucket. And it's 4 quarts. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So we have 4 of these genuine Honda HCF2 transmission fluid. Because you know this is CVT. And all we're gonna do is put all 4 of them. By the way, instead of going to the dealer, you can order these and get them cheaper. See? That's it. We're gonna put them over here. You see this little plug right there? That's where it's going. Once we pull this out, I'll show you. Where's it at? See? Right there. See that hole? I get some light. Damn, where's my light at? That ain't trying to work. But anyway, that's where it's going. Alright, all fluid in there. It's already in there. So now we about to close it up. Clean this piece. And go towards the engine. Do the oil change. Now we tapping in the oil. As y'all can see, we got the drain screw out. The oil coming out. We're about to get this filter out. There we go. Alright, so we use top quality shit. As you can see, I had a mobile 1 filter in there, right? Going to a K&N filter. This lasts for a long time, but I'm not going to use it for that long. Okay? Only 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Even my oil says 20,000. But we're not going to do that. 3,000 to 5,000. That's it. Not even 5. 3 to 4. And I'm done. But as you can see, I'll use mobile 1. 0 to 20. I'll fill this up. Lube this up a little bit. Put it on there. And fill the carb. Take it for a drive. So the transmission could pick up all the fluid. And you're good to go.